Not every headline you see online is earned. Many are paid, and that's not a bad thing. When used correctly, paid media can accelerate visibility, strengthen credibility, and fill gaps that earned PR alone can't reach. The key is using it strategically, not desperately. Paid media means you're paying for placement, sponsored articles, advertorials, or brand partnerships. But there's a big difference between credible paid media and low-quality pay-to-play features. Let's break down how to tell them apart and how to use paid media to complement, not replace, your earned coverage. Step 1. Understand the purpose of paid media. Paid media isn't about vanity, it's about control. When you buy placement on a reputable platform, you control timing, message, and links, all things you can't guarantee through earned coverage. That makes it perfect for launches, major announcements, or key SEO plays where speed matters. At AutoPR, we treat paid media as part of a balanced ecosystem, earned for trust, paid for reach, owned for longevity. Step 2. Know your options. There are several types of paid placements and each serves a different goal. Number 1. Sponsored articles. These look like editorial content but include a sponsored or brand voice label. They perform best when written in an educational tone, insights, data, or storytelling, not overt advertising. For example, 3 emerging trends in sustainable finance and how one startup is leading the change. Number 2. Native advertising. This blends into the platform's normal content feed, promoted posts on LinkedIn, article recommendations on Forbes, or banners that look contextual. It's designed for visibility and click-throughs, not credibility. Number 3. Partner features and collaborations. These are negotiated with editors or media groups for longer campaigns, multi-article series, interviews, or brand highlights. They often include social amplification and email promotion, giving you layered exposure. Step 3. Vet the outlet before you buy. Not all paid media is created equal. If the outlet can't show legitimate domain authority, editorial standards, or Google News indexing, it's not worth your money. Before paying for placement, always check domain authority, DA. Anything below 50 usually has a minimal SEO value. Traffic source. Look for organic search traffic, not bot referrals. Editorial relevance. Does their audience match your ideal client? Disclosure policy. Legitimate publications clearly mark sponsored content to stay FTC compliant. At AutoPR, we only partner with outlets that maintain high editorial integrity. If the site accepts any payment for any story, that's not PR, that's spam. Step 4. Craft a credible sponsored story. The best sponsored content reads like journalism, not an ad. Here's a simple framework to keep it credible. Start with a problem your audience cares about. Provide insight or data that adds value. Introduce your brand as the solution or expert voice. End with a soft call to action, something educational or curious, not salesy. Use quotes, stats, and real examples to anchor the piece. Avoid phrases like industry leading or best in class. Journalists and readers see through that instantly. Step 5. Integrate with the overall PR system. Paid media should never exist in a vacuum. Use it to amplify earned coverage or to test new angles before pitching them organically. Example: after earning an article in TechCrunch, a client might run a sponsored Forbes piece that expands on the same topic, the SEO value. That creates a halo effect. Your brand shows up in multiple places around the same narrative. This strategy is what we call the PR flywheel: visibility, authority, trust, and then revenue. Step 6. Maximize ROI. Paid media is only as good as the results you can measure. Track referral traffic and time on page. Backlinks and domain authority impact. Lead or conversion lift from campaigns. Engagement rates on social shares or ads linked to the content. Most importantly, evaluate the long-term effect on credibility. Did the placement improve trust? Did prospects mention seeing it? At AutoPR, we measure both hard metrics and sentiment, because true PR ROI is part numbers, part perception. When you use paid media strategically, you don't need to pretend it's earned. It becomes a credible extension of your brand story, one that supports long-term authority and visibility. The goal is not to pay for press, it's to invest in positioning. In the next video, we'll shift from articles to audio and show you how to get booked on podcasts that build authority and drive new audiences.